Hello guys, my name is Diego Pacheco and this is gonna be another Kotlin video. So today we're gonna talk a bit more about reflection. So let's get started. So here in my Kotlin application, I have some pieces of code that I wanna cover and explain a bit more about reflection in Python, sorry, Kotlin. So in order to access a class of a type, you just can use this double column operator and then class, all right? And then you get a class. So here we are getting the class of a string. If we take a look here, Kotlin has a different type than Java. It's not a Java class, it's a K class, right? So Kotlin has its own hierarchy and has enhanced methods that exist in Kotlin, and some operations is just delegate to Java. For instance, like the Kotlin to string, it just delegate to Java to string, or the Kotlin uppercase delegates to Java uppercase. So here, once we get a K class, we can do a bunch of things. Like we can get the qualified name of the string, and then there's a bunch of utility methods that can tell you what that class is, that K class, all right? So we can ask, okay, is a data class? It's a boolean gonna say true or false. Is a companion? It is abstract? It is final? Is it sealed? And we can get all the functions, all the methods by calling members, all right? And we can also get all the constructors calling constructors. Before I continue, I need to explain that in order for this code to work, we need an extra dependency, which is Kotlin reflect. All right, if you don't have this jar in your class path, it will not work. Okay, moving forward, and now I'm doing reflection here more like using the Java infrastructure underneath Kotlin. So for do that, when we do a particular object double column class, then you do .java, and then you are in Java land. So now I can do methods, and then you're gonna have a Java lang method, and then I'm doing a filter here because I want to filter all the Java methods, and I'm gonna get a particular method called m, and what I'm gonna do is okay, so if it is two uppercase is equals to the method.name, then return true, otherwise false. So this filter is just selecting one method from the Java lang string class, which is two uppercase, just selecting that method. And then I'm filtering getting the first result, because here I'm just gonna have one result, and that's the method I'm getting. And once I get that method, I can print the name of that method, and I can even invoke it passing my object, right? So that's classical Java reflection, right? And here I have one more snippet where I have a Kotlin string, and I'm showing how many methods we have there, and then printing each of those methods, right? So let's run this application and take a look. There we go. So here we see the first print about this block here. So we see that the string class here is a Kotlin.string class, right? And then we can see its data is not data, is companion false, is abstract false, is final, and is not sealed. Then we can see all the methods from Big Decimal and all the constructors from Big Decimal, and we can see they printed here. Then we have the reflection more towards Java, and you can see that the method is to uppercase indeed, and you can see my name now is in uppercase instead of capital case. And then here we see that we have 21 methods on a Kotlin string class, and here are the methods that we have there, right? So that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. See you next time. Cheers.